Oh no. A baby. Please don't sit next to me.
Shh. It's okay, sweetheart. Here we are. Oh, thank you.
Believe this.
You mind if I squeeze in here?
Do I have a choice?
It's okay, honey.
Look, is that baby gonna cry the entire flight?
I'm sorry, she's just really fussy right now. You hungry?
Do not tell me that you're gonna breastfeed right here.
I'm sorry, but I need to feed her.
Seriously? I'm calling the flight attendant. This is not appropriate at all.
Hi, is everything okay?
No, it's not. This woman is breastfeeding right next to me.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's my baby's feeding time. Is that not allowed?
It's perfectly fine. Babies need to eat too, right?
This is ridiculous. No one should have to sit next to such a person. I want to be moved to another seat immediately.
Okay, give me a second. I will talk with the captain and see what we can do.
Good.
Look, I didn't mean to make you uncomfortable.
I don't want to hear it. If you have to breastfeed, you need to do it in the bathroom.
The bathroom?
Okay, I spoke with the captain.
Did you find me another seat?
Even better. We are upgrading the ticket to first class.
Oh.
Just let me grab your bag.
Now that is more like it. And I just want you to realize this is not appropriate at all. That's not my bag.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize for not being more clear. The captain is upgrading her ticket to first class. Because we all agree, no one should have to sit next to such a person.
What? You can't be serious.
Would you like to move up to first class? I think you two would be more comfortable there.
Wow, really? Yes, I would love to. Thank you.
Great. I will take your bag up to the front of the plane.
Pardon me. Oh. I find it ironic that you would shame me for breastfeeding. You see, you stare at a magazine and you don't find those breasts inappropriate. But you find mine are, and I'm just trying to feed my child. And you sit here and you eat your lunch in your seat, but you find it offensive when my baby eats here. So when you're ready to have your lunch in the bathroom, then I'll breastfeed there too.